Here is the DVD player that just stopped working last night, and we have a way to fix it, so we're going to fix it.
Yep, we're going to be running it over.
It's called the Beamer method.
Oh, Dad, my flashlight.
There we go. Here. All right, Tyler, I'm going to drive in there. You hold the camera, please. Everything recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we call this the Black & Decker Beamer way. Go! Ready to fix it? Yes, we can. All right, back her up. Oh, yeah. Woo! Crack that baby up. All right, drive it forward. Oh, yeah. All right, stop. All right, back her up. All the way. You see that, folks? We're definitely posting that on YouTube, Dad.
Is it fixed?
Yeah, that's fixed. Want to put that back on TV? I'd say so.
Let's have a look. Yep, front panel works. And let's see. Can we get the DVD out? That's stuck.
We should run over it again.
Wait a minute. I think I got it. There we go. Perfect. All right. Well, coming to you from H&C and T and...
Who needs that? Dad, record me. 'Cause I'm gonna be doing something. Hold this one too. I am vicious, I'm violent, and I hate this thing. And as you see, I am wearing sandals.
Okay. See you later.